Chapter 1 Class Quiz question number 8. Now, given that you have the following numbers as a product of their prime factors, the highest common factor of 150, 4,500, and the number x is 30. Now, let's take a look at the prime factors. For 150, we have 2, 3, and 5 square. For 4,500, we have 2 square, 3 square, and 5 to the power 3. It is given that, the highest common factor is all these three numbers is 30, which is 2, 3, and 5. What does that mean? It means that x must actually have the factors 2, 3, and 5, which give us the first number, 2 times 3 times 5, which is 30. So I know that x can be the first number, 30. Now, how do I find the next x value? Now, in this case, we already know that x must have 2 times 3 times 5, but we need to find other possible values where we can consider values where there will be 2 square, or 3 square, or 5 to the power of 2, or 5 to the power of 3. Now they want x to be an even number, so we add on to this number 2 times 3 times 5, which is already an even number. But our next condition is that it must be smaller than 65. So if I were to multiply by one more 5 and make it become 5 square, this number will actually be more than 65. Hence, we cannot do that. If I were to multiply by this whole number 30 by another one more 3 to make it become 3 square, this number will become bigger than 65, and it cannot be. So our last choice will be to multiply this number by 2 square, where the number will become 60, and this number is still smaller than 65. So therefore, x can be 30 or 60.